Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm taking these silicone mini utensil set. I'm just opening them up. I bought these, I believe, at Walmart. And what I'm going to do is I'm taking one of these, and I believe it will be, I'm going to try this spoon today, and these are really cool. Alright, so what I'm attempting to do is I'm taking this, I'm going to cut out an opening in the spoon. Now this will be used to mix my cup of resin and scrape the sides. So because there will be an opening, the paint will pour through that opening and mix a little better. So that's how it'll be. So I'm going to take my ceramic, and I don't think it locks. I have to hold it like that, but I'm going to attempt to cut an opening in here. Alright, let me try this way. I'm just going to hold it like this. I'm going to cut. Did not quite go through. Try again. I saw a resin mixing stick, and it was really cool. It was rectangular, about this long, and it had holes all the way through. So to me that was ergonomically correct. Alright, let me just try to cut this through. Alright, it is working a little bit. Okay, it's becoming a triangle shape. So the resin mixing spoon was from England. You'd have to order it. So I just thought, well, let me take these. They're not expensive, and I'm probably ruining it, but I will try. And this is just an old wooden cutting board. So I do have some of it cut. Let's see. It's not the best knife because I have to hold it open. Okay, so we're getting... I probably weakened it a little bit too, but let's see. Let me try to cut through. I could have done this with a drill or some kind of mechanical device. And it's not going to be the prettiest, because I'm also trying to film, so it makes it a little difficult. Alright, so anyway, it's just an idea. So I wanted to get the best mixing spoon ever. Alright, that will actually do. Let's try this again. Alright. Let me just take some of these out, and that's actually fine. I know it's not perfect. I mean, it kind of looks, it looks really bad, but it doesn't matter. It's just a mixing spoon. I just take this little piece off, and maybe the scissors would help. No, maybe not. I can't see it. Alright, let me go this way. No, I think it's going to be alright. I don't think any pieces are going to come off. So you'll probably be able to do this a little better yourself. So the idea is, now let's go through this again, is when you're mixing all that, you know, of course it's going to be filled with resin or paint. The paint's going to go and flow through and then out again. And of course this side, it's rounded, so this will grip the side of the cup, and you need to scrape the cup when you're mixing your resin. You need to get the sides. You're not just going to mix like this. You're not just going to mix. You're going to scrape. You can even go down. You can push it this way. But when you're mixing, all that resin is going to go through and then come back out. It'd be a nice flow. And that's the one. I'm probably not going to do this to all of them. I'm going to maybe off camera just, I don't know, maybe smooth it out a little bit. I don't think anything's going to come off. I'm feeling I definitely don't want any pieces in the resin, but even just for mixing your acrylic paint. All right, so let's look at these other, well, I don't like that, but this one, I don't know how far the wood comes down, but you could cut out here, and of course this one too. This is slightly rounded. Can cut out in here, and then this one too. Maybe you could drill holes, maybe with a drill, like a 3/4 inch. That would be kind of big. Okay, not 3/4. Let's see. No, like a 1/4 inch. Maybe put 1/4 inch holes. Maybe just straight down. I think that might be better. So you would go drill hole, and drill hole. But I like this idea better because, you know, it doesn't really look real good, but who cares? We're going to mix paint and resin. So also, because I did put this in my caption, I wanted to show you, this is the pickle juice I'm drinking today. I'm not really eating much because I'm organizing my kitchen to turn it into my acrylic pouring studio. So I saved the brine. These are Bubby's pickles. They're kosher dill pickles, but they're not made with vinegar. They're just in their own brine, so they have the probiotics in them. And I do save the juice. I keep it in the refrigerator, and I drink this, and it really helps, you know, refresh me. And I don't drink it straight. I do mix it with water. But the pickles they're great. They're delicious. And you're getting your fermented type pickles. They're not in vinegar. Vinegar is different. It's a different method. And I do buy these at my local Acme. I believe Whole Foods and some of the health food stores carry this. Delicious. Love it. All right, that's it for today. Here's your new mixing spoon. Try it. Yours will look a lot nicer. Maybe if I drew, you know, with a Sharpie and then cut it out. But this is just for demonstration, and thanks so much. I really appreciate you tuning in. I hope I'll see you soon. Have a nice day.